Athena.
Smells bad.
You want to smell it? Smell it.
Smell.
Smell.
Who wants a piece of this? What do you think, audience?
Oh yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, let's do something in the house. Ben, tell a joke. Tell a joke.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
You.
You who?
Why don't you ask me?
Alright. You who?
At least I didn't say orange.
And the audience loves it. Let's take a round of applause for Ben. Looks like that ends our awesome fun show of today, yo. Oh. Well, see you next Friday for another Shazam.